welcome back YouTube. Caleb is where? Caleb is on his way to Miami. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's Jude and I. It always just seems like it's me and someone else. Jude's on the taco. And we bought we didn't buy it. The customer supplied a complete stainless steel brake line kit for this. Actually, somebody said something about this. And they said that they make unions that are for brake lines. Well, I want to myth bust this, so stay with me. I don't believe that these are what they say they are. To me, this looks like an improper repair, and that's all I got to say about that. I'm going to tell you that these are compression unions, and compression unions are not for brake lines. As I said, everyone, compression unions are not for brake lines. This is what you're getting at here at DIY and probably some crumb shops. It's not a safe repair.
Yeah, no, that's something you use on nitrous lines. It's like...
Well, if a nitrous line blows off, typically you're not going to die.
Yeah, no.
If a brake line fails, you could have the chance of killing yourself and hurting other people. The advantages of buying a kit.
Nitrous is air. It's not.
Nitrous is an explosive, not by itself. Nitrous oxide will not combust unless it's mixed with a catalyst, meaning fuel, some type of fuel. Anyway, Judester, would I prefer to make an entire brake line system for any vehicle? Absolutely not. Making 10 or 20 brake lines is just time consuming and a pain in the rear end. Buying an entire brake line kit for your vehicle
Mixing and matching
is fantastic.
It's like,
If the lines aren't exactly right,
so for each front wheel, it has a coil, but there was this little L to the actual brake hose. These are seized and rusted. The other side, the holder's completely rusted off.
yeah.
So what we're gonna do is just cut them out, make an extension from this to the soft line going to the brakes, and then
You don't even need it.
may not even need it exactly. Like, so I'd rather make 2 of those lines and then 1 or 2 other spare lines, because they come with unions, yes, but you can't always match up the lines because they come with unions, and it's not like it's labeled. So
It doesn't say here, this one goes here, this one
exactly.
goes
So just put it together as much as you can, and then make whatever lines you need. It's way simpler.
there. Even if you don't know how to make a brake line, buy the entire kit, because chances are, sooner than later down the road, you're going to need another line, if not all of them. So if you don't have any skill or an ability to make a safe brake line, as we showed right there that someone put the wrong materials on this cart, that you could just open a box and grab the right brake line and put it on without having to have any issues technically. And it's so much faster. So for me, if it's just a onesie line, I don't mind making it. But if you're talking more than 3 or 4 lines, forget it. Buy a kit and just pick out what you want or change them all. My opinion is if one failed, you're ready for the rest of them. Thanks for watching.